Hey guys, welcome back to 234 En La Casa. Today I'm going to show you all how to make a fresh kale salad. It is excellent. This recipe comes courtesy of a family member of mine. It's something that I absolutely enjoy. This salad takes about 5 to 10 minutes, does not take long at all. It's a great salad that you can tailor to your own style. You don't want a lot of spice, you can cut back on the spice. Heat. If you want to cut back on the salt, you can cut back on that as well. This is excellent, and I tend to request this salad from this particular family member probably on the daily. I'll bring over, show you the ingredients, and share with you all this wonderful 5-minute kale salad. This is the bagged kale that I use. It's already triple washed, but I tend to go ahead and wash mine myself as well. All right, y'all, so I've got my kale here. It is washed. I'm gonna go in with a paper towel and kind of dry this kale. As you go through, for this salad, you want to make sure that you remove your stem. I don't too much like biting into like real thick stems when I'm eating raw kale, so you can just remove those and set those aside. And you want to make sure your kale is pretty dry as much as possible. To this, we're going to add a little bit of avocado oil, just a little bit of a drizzle. If you don't have avocado, you can add olive oil too if you'd like. We're gonna mix this up, make sure that all that oil is distributed onto the kale leaves. And you can chop up your kale even more if you would like to. I don't mind mine being about this size. This is the size that I actually really like. All right, and then next we're gonna add just a little bit of Tony Chachere's. That's gonna give us our spice factor or heat factor. I'm gonna add about a pinch. That's about as much as I'm gonna add. And we're gonna add some Cayenne Pepper. That's also gonna give us a little bit more heat. And we're gonna add some granulated garlic. And your granulated garlic, you're gonna wanna do to taste. I'm a garlic lover. I love granulated garlic. So this is gonna be about a teaspoon and a half of garlic. And you're gonna take your tongs as you're mixing this together and you're gonna squeeze. You can also, my little mini chef that came up with this salad, puts gloves on and squeezes by hand. So you can do that too. You can decide to add a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt if you would like to, or you can leave that out. You may want to do a little taste to see if it's got enough salt for you, because you don't want to overly salt it. But I'm going to put just a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt, or you can use kosher salt. And if you are on a lower sodium diet, you can use the Tony Chachere's that is no salt added instead of using the Tony Chachere's that has salt. And you can leave the pink Himalayan sea salt out if you would like to, or you can use your salt substitution. Gosh, this smells so good. All right, y'all, I tasted mine. I'm gonna add just a little bit more garlic, and I'm gonna add just a little bit more Tony's. All right, y'all, and that's it. That's the salad right there. Let me show y'all up close what it looks like. Fresh kale salad. It's got some heat to it, and it is so good. And one thing that you can do with this salad that I love, you can add some fresh Parmesan cheese, freshly grated Parm on top of this. That is absolutely excellent. I don't have any, or else I would add some. You can also add some lemon, some freshly squeezed lemon to it, or you can add some pine nuts or some toasted walnuts or toasted pecans. That's excellent on here too. Or you can just enjoy this just by itself. This is an excellent salad, guys. One of my little mini chefs here came up with this recipe, and it's good. All right, I'll see y'all next time here at 234 En La Casa. Sending lots of love to you guys, okay? All right, y'all take care.